Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you shipped your item and wondering if you need to confirm it manually. In most cases, Vinted tracks shipments automatically, but sometimes you may need to confirm this batch. It only takes a few seconds. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to confirm shipment on the Vinted app or website, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you can either go through the Vinted app or the Vinted website, it depends on you. All we're gonna do is go through the Vinted.com. For me, you can also go through the Vinted app through the Android or iOS app, then go all the way to inbox. Open the sold order, then look for the confirm shipment option. After this, tap it and confirm. As for an important note, if you use the prepaid label, confirmation may happen automatically after scanning. As for more tips, always keep your drop-off receipt, then check that tracking updates within 24 hours max. You can also basically confirm quickly to reassure the buyers and reduce the cancellation risks, and that's the main idea. So as I told you before, all you're gonna do to basically confirm the shipment on Vinted is open your device, make sure everything is looking good, go through the app or even the website, check the inbox, open the sold order, confirm the shipment option, tap it and confirm. You're gonna need the prepaid label that you're gonna basically check the product or the shipment itself. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.